Hey, what's up guys? How you doing? Today I'll bring you a beast of a computer. It's the Helios 500 from Acer. Today I'm gonna unbox this thing, and I got this out of promotion, and to be honest with you, I couldn't actually skip this price, man. I got it for $1,199, around that price. Crazy, right? Now the spec. This is the beefiest laptop for that price. Let me just tell you exactly. This is the beefiest thing you can get for this price. This is the i7 8000 series. So it's kind of brand. It's not the 9000 series, so it's the 8000. So it's really great CPU. Also, it has a GTX 1070, like full 1070. It's not the Max U, it's the full ones, just like in the desktop. So you know where you're going at. Now let me just first try to unbox this thing before I go any further. This thing is just heavyweight, man. If you're lifting weights and stuff, this thing is really good. Pick it up and put it down anytime you feel like you skip the gym. So, over there you go. Let's try to take out these stuff over here. Alright, we have the paperwork over here. Everything is in black. Man, look at this logo. It's like a sport car. Alright, so whatever in the box, I think it's the what else we have here? Nothing. Oh, we have the big stuff over here. We have a chunky, giant stuff over here. Just take out the box over here and continue. So before we open this big guy over here, let us see what's inside this other heavy box. Oh, so this is, ladies and gentlemen, a 230 watts of electricity. So very, very heavy, very chunky, you know. But I like it. You have to be big and tough, stuff like that. You know, if you want to buy something like muscle car, you know, a gaming computer, you have to get it like the best possible shape. Now, moment of truth, right? So let me try to zoom in a little bit and unbox this beast over here. Yeah, there you go. Another mat. Try to take it out. Yes. Now we remove this box, so the other side, so we can at least have a space for the laptop, because it is actually heavy. It's very heavy. Yeah. Okay. So I'll try to pull the laptop out of this thing over here. Bam! Look at this. Look at this thing. Already fingerprints. Already there's a fingerprints. Let me just try to zoom out. Yeah. So from that view, the wide angle doesn't make justice. It makes it smaller. It is not small, guys. It is huge, but I just want to show you how this thing actually opens up. Yeah, just like that. That's the keyboard, and as you can see, it's beautiful. Let me just try to zoom in. Let me just keep it zoom out, because so that's really nice computer. Comes to the touchpad, you know, the clicky, very clicky, very nice. It has very excellent ports already. Let me show you the ports. Now we have one microphone and headphone jacks, so both, each one, USB 3.0 and double of them, and we have big vents, as you can see, and the back. Man, this is riskier, man, to hold it like this. We have the power, as you can see, the power I/O, and then we have a display port and an HDMI on the back, so you can link it to other, monitors. On the other side, we have a big vents, as you can see, beefy vents, as well as in the back, and we have Ethernet, a USB 3.0, and dual Thunderbolts, guys. This is USB Type-C Thunderbolts, so this is awesome. It's all ready beef, full of beef, guys. If you like beef, if you enjoy eating beef, this thing is for you. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring this super powerful SSD. I'm already breathing heavy, like I'm lifting weights. God damn it. So I'm gonna try this fast SSD from ScanDisk. This is 1 GB per second. So we're gonna try to link it with the Thunderbolt and see how fast my file is gonna be transferred. And that's it, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Just before I end this video, so this computer was in the display. It's the last piece, and I had to get it for the price. It's not like something in the. It's out of the box. Exactly. So it's not something that's sealed in the box. It's in the display. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know about it, and see you guys later.